Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I would first like to thank you and for wishing me well wishes. I have been a little bit sick, a little bit down in the past few days, but I am trying to get better so I can make these videos for you. But please, before we get started, if you can give me that thumbs up, it'll keep me alive. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit subscribe, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos out there. I do have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Rivian. I did find out more information about its IPO filings. It will be available on the stock market in the next few weeks, so I will keep you updated on that as well. We have also seen Lucid Motors stock start, kind of finding its base. We will be talking about where it can start moving. I do think that it will start moving in the next few weeks, and we'll talk about why. Before I get into this, I did just want to share this with you. I have just recently partnered up with Moomoo. They are giving my viewers, using my link down below, I will post it in the description, they are giving you up to 3 free stocks. One free stock is valued anywhere from $3 to $350 just for opening an account with them using my link down below. If you do put in $100 into this, they are right now giving a free stock of Lucid Motors. You did hear that correctly. They are giving a free stock of Lucid Motors stock. At the end of this video, at the very end, I will put a stepwise what you need to do in order to get these stocks. So let's get down into this and talk about this article from Investor Place. It is titled Lucid Motors is finally ready to reward the patient investor. The first deliveries are expected soon and Lucid stock is on the move. So I did want to talk about this because we have seen Lucid Motor stock, LCID stock, has been pretty volatile over the past few, I would say few months. We have seen very big highs, high of $28, lows about 18, a little less than $18, but we have been pretty much all over the place. But very soon, I do think that once the deliveries start happening, you will start a lot more upward movement and an upward potential in this stock. The next big day coming up, a big catalyst will be October 12th, which will be its Dream Drive event, where Lucid Motors will show its autonomous driving to its customers and to the world. So we'll definitely have to keep up with that and see. But I did just want to just show you how this stock is going. We did end up a little bit red, but pretty much flat today. It did end the day at $24.38. And we have found, the good news about this is we have found a base. We have found a base about that $24 mark. If you look in the past 5 days, we are down about 4.5%. But as you can see, we are having that base now about $24. If you look at this graph right now, how many times have we gone below $24? Only couple times, and whenever it stays there, it's very fast. It pops right back up. So the good news about this stock is we have found a base, in my opinion, and it is right now looking like it's at $24. If we go back in the past 1 month, we are still up about 29% in this stock. It has had a very good September month to get this stock popped up. We have seen highs of about $26.81. That will be the next resistance point that we do need to penetrate to get the stock moving upward. And I do think that once the deliveries start happening, and even potentially by the Dream Drive date, October 12th, I do think that we will retest that moving forward. Now, looking in the past 6 months, this, I do believe, is going to be our new consolidation point. The highest price that we have seen in the past 6 months is about $28.82. So that will be our next resistance point. So first, we do need to test that $26, see if we can go past that. The next one will be about $28. I do suspect still by the end of this year, we will have this stock hitting about $30 to $35 in my opinion. I do think that we can get that very easily moving forward. So let me now transition and talk to you about this very important article from the Verge. It is titled Rivian's IPO filing reveals Amazon's prime influence and also Ford Motor Company relationship to Rivian as a company. So this is actually a very good article, but most importantly, it shows us who has a big hand in Rivian as a company. So I was surprised to see that Amazon has actually put in a lot of money over time. Since about February 2019, Amazon has put in about $1.83 billion into Rivian as a company, and it continues to do this. It's also been found out through its S1 form in filing for the IPO that Amazon has also a big contract with Rivian as a company. Now, you might ask, why are they putting so much money into Rivian as a company? Well, the answer is very easy. Amazon does want to electrify all of its van fleet, and it does want to do this through this company, Rivian. So it is going to be purchasing, it does have a pre-order of 100,000 vehicles, electric vans, that will be delivered anytime from now all the way into the year 2030. Now, Amazon is also very smart in that it has signed a contract with Rivian that it can use any parts of the Rivian vehicle, its electric motor, battery, anything pretty much that Rivian makes, Amazon has access to do, moving its vehicles and building its vehicles. And let me show you where this is stated in here. So Amazon right here gets exclusive rights to the van for 4 years and has first dibs for the next 2 more years. So according to this article, Amazon right now can purchase the Rivian's electric drivetrains or the skateboards. They call this, the skateboard is pretty much the foundation or the frame of the vehicle. It does encompass the battery and the electric motor. Everything is encompassed into one. And so that gives them ability, Amazon, if they do want to, by contract, they have a right to only use certain components of Rivian's vehicle. So if Rivian is running into a lot of trouble, Amazon could just walk away with all the tooling that they can get from Rivian and pretty much all the electric components, and they can get another company out there just to build the frame. They call it the top hat, the matching cabin for this vehicle. So Amazon has a big hold on Rivian as a company. And so Amazon, in addition to having this, they can also approve certain vendors to get battery cells, autonomous driving. So they have a very big influence in this company moving forward. Now, you might also ask, why is Ford Motor Company putting a lot of money into Rivian as well? Well, Ford Motor Company was very smart in that Rivian needed a prototype of truck van, assembly. So Ford actually built the Rivian truck, their vans, and the SUV, and they did make prototypes for Rivian. In addition to this, Rivian paid Ford a lot of money. Rivian actually paid Ford $74 million to do its work by building its own stamping and assembly lines in the Illinois factory. So now this company, it takes a lot of money to start a electric vehicle company because you need a lot of machinery and a lot of things to get this vehicle done. So this article does go on to say that Ford built the bodies in white for the prototype pickup, the SUVs, and the vans, and they have put a lot of money. Ford has actually put about $1.24 billion into Rivian as a company. So right now, Amazon and Ford own quite a bit of shares, and they will own quite a bit of Rivian as a company. Amazon currently owns about 22% of all the shares of the Rivian company. Ford owns about 17% of all the shares of Rivian as a company. So Rivian, according to the S1 filings, they have over 48,000 pre-orders of the R1 pickup truck and the R1S SUV. But we do not know how fast they can get these out to eager customers out there. So customers right now have been paying $1,000, a refundable amount, to reserve their vehicles out there. But it looks like that they are starting to get some pressure out there from Amazon as a company. So Amazon right now, the CEO, Jeff Bezos, he actually just recently tweeted, and let me just show you this real quick, that the Rivian team is world-class. The CEO, Scaringe, is one of the greatest entrepreneurs I've ever met. Now, RJ, which is the CEO, where are our vans? So we are starting to see that Amazon is starting to want these vehicles. And sure enough, they have put in a lot of money out there. So this will definitely see that Rivian will be making these vehicles for Amazon, but it looks like that actual customers might have to wait a little bit. So let me just show you what the CEO of Rivian did tell Bloomberg. He did say this last year pretty much in an interview that Amazon vans are going to be going out early. And he did say that the Rivian had to delay the launch of the R1T and the R1S due to the global chip shortages, meaning that customers who placed that refundable $1,000 deposit may need to wait twice as long as normally they would. Because right now Rivian is getting a lot of well-deserved attention, but it might need to take a back seat because they will need to get these vehicles, these vans out for Amazon. We'll definitely keep monitoring and seeing how this goes. But as a company, I do think that it has a lot of support. It has a lot of money. It has a lot of backing from a lot of companies out there that will make this company good, Rivian. Now, remember, it is having that $80 billion valuation, which is about 10% that of Tesla, and it is twice that of Lucid Motor Company. They have just started their deliveries of their some of their vehicles out there, but they will start really producing those vans for Amazon. But moving forward, I think this is going to be a great stock. I'll definitely keep you updated there, but please, if you can, give me that thumbs up, the like button, so this can keep me going, keep me alive. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos out there. And please also, if you can, take advantage of those free shares of stock by going to my link down below. It is for Moo. It is a brokerage account, much like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade. It does allow a lot of things for you to do. You can actually trade before and after hours, and you'll get those 3 big stocks. One, by just opening an account, putting zero money in, you're guaranteed a stock worth anywhere from $3 to $350. Then if you can deposit $100, I'll get you a Lucid Motor stock that's valued right now, as you saw, about $25, and it could be valued a lot more in the next few weeks. And also, if you have that money, if you can put $2,000, you can get a free share of GM stock worth about $50 that is guaranteed. So thank you so much again for all your support, for watching this channel, and thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.